Alright, so today we're going to go through and edit a clip on Movavi. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So first thing you're going to want to do is grab an intro video. Movavi has a bunch of cool intro sample videos that you can snag, like I did right here. And you just drag it down. Here, click that and add some files. I added a Cosmic Candy from Glitch Energy. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag that image down on top of that sample video, and then we're going to position it and everything. I'm going to show you that right here. So what we're going to do right here is set up the motion tracking. Movavi has a great AI generated motion tracking system where you can see me setting up the grid square for it and trying to figure out exactly which asteroid I want the glitch canister to track. The next thing we're going to set up is the little rocket animation of the little glitch canister coming in for a landing and, you know, kind of hovering there in the Right here we're gonna set up and find some audio tracks to use for our glitch ad. Movavi has thousands of sample music and sounds that you can scroll through and find. We're going to go through, find exactly which audio track that we want to use for our glitch ad. Then at this point, we go through, do some last minute tweaks, some playthroughs, figure out which kind of animations that we want to put on stuff. I added an intro into the beginning of it. Always go back and rewatch. Verify everything, make sure everything looks nice and crispy and clean, because the last thing you want is once you post the clip, it doesn't look as good as you wanted it to. Mind you, I'm still learning how to use Movavi and still very new in making content and making clips, but my best effort here editing, and I hope you can learn something. Maybe this makes it easier for you to use Movavi. And once you're all crispy, you've watched it again. I can't say that or stress that enough. Once you re-watched it about 100 times, Movavi makes it super easy to export the video and just save it, whatever you want to save the file as, into the folder that you need it. Pick the quality that you need it in, and just start the export. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I taught you something and helped you learn how to use Movavi. This was Respawn Recruits Challenge for education. Hopefully I did some good teaching here. Thank you and have a wonderful day.